Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to set up Fire Stick TV 4K. Firstly, plug the USB power cable into the power adapter and connect the cable to your Fire TV Stick 4K. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and insert the Fire TV Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Just a tip, use the included HDMI extender if there isn't enough space behind your TV. Now turn on your TV and switch to the correct HDMI input. Your Fire TV Stick should power on automatically. Now, it will search for a remote automatically. If prompt, press Home button. Press play to begin setup. Now select your preferred language from the on-screen menu and choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and wait for the device to connect. Now log in using your existing Amazon account, and whether you want to save your Wi-Fi password or Amazon, selecting no means it will only be saved for this device. Whether to enable parental controls, you'll need to set up these settings because you'll be asked once you sign into your Amazon account. Now you'll have the option to install popular streaming apps during setup. You can always install more later from the App Store. And now your Fire TV Stick 4K is ready to use. Start streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.